Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your Forza Horizon is not launching. So the first one is to turn on antivirus. So go to virus and threat protection and you're going to select on to everything. So turn this on. I don't know why it's off. Yikes. Alright, just turn it on and then that's the first step you need to do. The second step is you need to go to device manager and then you'll need to go to your display adapters and you just need to update it if you haven't done that. So search automatically for drivers and as you can see it's installed, so that's good. The third one is you'll need to update your Windows. So I need to update mine. I'm not going to do that now though. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Just restart once you've done every single little thing here. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.